try the whole thing, guys.
I'd rather spoil all my friends with my riches. Think we tell therapy my new addiction.
They're really bomb for your laundry, and they actually make it smell really fresh. Next we had the Downy Light. Yeah, this one smells like ocean mist. For the fountain. It's really good too. I'm not getting as much power. These two are definitely my favorite.